What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Melissa Alatorre. Welcome, join the family, hit that subscribe button because today we are talking all about my hair. I get so many questions about my hair. What's its natural texture like? Is this your natural color? And I'm gonna answer all those questions in today's video because I was finally able to get my good friend Cass to do a video with me. She is a Redken stylist and she uses Redken hair color to enhance my natural hair color. So we're gonna answer all those questions in this video. Redken is sponsoring today's video with their Frizz Dismiss collection because, as you can tell, my hair is quite the task and a half. I don't want you guys thinking that I don't love my natural hair because I absolutely love it. I love the thickness of it. I have a lot. It's a very, very thick, coarse hair. I had a stylist one time tell me that I borderline have too much hair to work with, that it's a little difficult. Very thick, textured, wavy, but it can get curly if I were to put in the effort. My mom has really, really curly hair, which kind of led to my hair texture. And I think over the years of constantly styling it, is why it has more of a wave now versus a curl. I did use the Frizz Dismiss collection last night and this morning to tame the frizz because without any product, I absolutely cannot wear my hair natural. It just looks like one giant poof ball. It has no texture to it, no shine. It's just frizzy. It's a very interesting look. If I have a photo, I will insert it here. Maybe I won't, because it's kind of embarrassing. Thank you to Redken for sponsoring today's video and bringing Cass and I together with this bit of content. I hope you guys are excited. Let's head out to the salon because I'm running late. Kyle's yelling at me. And Boomer, why don't you tell people I don't have frizzy hair. My hair's not poofy. I'm just a thick boy. I just have very thick, luscious fur. Huh? Yes, you's a beauty. Love you. Oh, hey guys. These are the lovely ladies that are going to be doing my hair today. Are you guys up for the challenge?
I'm ready.
You ready? It's a lot of hair.
Love it.
I don't think they know what they're getting themselves into with this hair.
A lot of hair. Hi guys, my name is Cassandra Kading. I'm a Redken brand ambassador. A colorist here, LA, New York, San Francisco, and Dubai.
And then we are at salon
454.
Hi, I'm Mischelle Navarre. I'm a hairstylist here at 454 North. I work with Cass, work in LA and New York.
And this is her first time seeing my hair. What are your thoughts?
Good luck.
She'll be the one styling.
I can't wait to get my hands into it.
You have great hair yourself. Honestly, I love that texture.
Thanks.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started.
Let's do it.
Hair's still looking a little crazy, but like I mentioned earlier, the number one question I get asked is, Melissa, is this your natural hair color? Cass, can you answer that question?
Currently, it is.
Yes, right?
So what we do is we usually just add a little bit of shine and we enhance your color by using a little bit of a color that's about 1 to 2 levels lighter than your natural. It just fills in the gaps. If you have any grays, you can blend them. But it gives it really nice shine. There's no ammonia. We're gonna use 7N, which is a neutral color. It has a little bit of an ash base tone to it. We're gonna put that from roots to mids. We're gonna put her under heat just in case she does have a few little random grays that it is able to cover at least up to 95% of gray.
Yes,
especially only if you have a few.
They are alive and thriving.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fun. It's really
it's
simple and easy, and like I said, you can do this once a month, you can do it once every 3 months, or
in my case, twice a year.
Twice a year, basically. I was about to say, like, some people do it once or twice a year.
Mischelle was on her way to get matcha, guys. You know how matcha is life. And I yelled at her, I was like, you need to come back.
I know.
Matcha gang.
All right.
I am ready to have fresh hair again. It always takes 2 people.
It takes a village.
It takes a village for this hair. I once asked Cass if we could go gray. Like, I wanted to be like icy gray, and look at her face.
I was like, get a wig.
You did say get a wig.
Yeah, I was like, it's probably best if she gets a wig.
You know what, too? Like, if I had gone gray, I feel like I would love my hair when it's styled, but when it's natural like this, I would absolutely hate it.
Freak out. You'd be like, Cass, take me back. You'd probably keep it for a week.
Yeah, that's very,
Well,
very
also
true.
your hair wouldn't do this either. You would lose like 50% of your wave when you bleach your hair.
Wow.
You're going to have amazing hair when you're like 80 years old and everybody else is like, what happened to my hair?
I
You
hope
fried it
so.
all off.
I'll be like that old lady with long
It can
hair.
do long-term damage, so we're avoiding that. Yeah, I know I've started to use this on myself because I've noticed a few little grays. And also as we get older, we lose a lot our shine and our luster in our hair. So this kind of helps just put it back.
Yeah, the
'Cause I have a
grays
lot-
have been like in this section. I don't know if you saw them.
I
They're
saw a
all
few.
right here.
That's usually, they kind of start in little colonies, like little
Well,
cities.
and I keep plucking them, which I know you're not supposed to do.
Well, okay.
It's a myth.
It's a myth. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. If you pluck them out, it's not gonna create more grays. The thing is, because of the coarseness of the hair, it'll stick out. So it looks like you're like, oh my God, I have another one. Where it's
Got
honestly
it.
just that same hair growing in because of the coarseness. It goes straight up.
Yeah.
And then it'll go down.
Got it. So while we wait for my color to set in, I asked Cass what was her favorite pomade, and she pulled out this guy. And look, it's
Guys,
a dry shampoo paste.
It's the dry shampoo paste. So you're gonna take a little bit on your finger. You're gonna rub it around in your hands, and it's giving it a really nice texture, but also it's got these little sparkles in there, so it gives it a little shine.
So you won't look like oily.
No.
You know, like how some
It's
pomades
not
make your hair look
or
oily.
flat. So you're just gonna kind of give it a little texture. And see how it kind of softens it? You can even go a little bit higher. My hair's still a little wet, so it's a little frizzy.
Dear Redken, I would like an additional sponsorship for the dry shampoo.
There you
paste.
go.
I'm just kidding. Wait, that is
Yeah.
so cool.
That's
I didn't know
so cool.
anything about this
Yeah,
product.
it's new.
Cass hack with
Yep.
which one is this one?
Frizz Instant Deflate.
Got it. Yeah, the oil and serum.
So that way you get a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna do the paste together. So that way you get a little texture, a little dry shampoo, and a little shine. And then you just
Wow, I'm gonna
I
try
always
that out.
say
That's
work
so cool.
kind of like through your ends first, and then work your way up.
Now we got a little Cass hack.
A little combo.
Little Redken since you're up here. All right, now Michelle's taken over. She's gonna style this wild hair of mine. She also agreed to cut it later this week. We don't have time to cut it today,
Yes.
but she has accepted the challenge of this hair.
This wild mane.
This wild mane. So we're gonna get into
We're gonna
styling
tame
now.
it.
We're gonna tame it with Frizz Dismiss, right?
Yes.
It smells so good. I can already smell it in my hair. It smells so good. We are starting with,
The Frizz Dismiss Rebel Tame.
this is actually my favorite product in the whole line, you guys. So we're gonna start with a little dollop of that in the hair and a pinch of the Instant Deflate Serum.
Mix that together to get the magic.
Yes.
I really like the way this stuff feels in your hair.
Yes. Look at that smoothness. The final reveal, Frizz Dismiss, it gave me extra curly hair. Extra curly bangs. They're back.
They're
It's
back.
a look, it's a vibe. I can't. Are your arms tired?
No.
Who needs a gym when you have a hair dryer in one hand and a brush in the other?
Totally.
I always feel like a new woman with like a fresh color and a fresh blowout. It's life-changing. There's no better feeling than fresh out of the salon hair. All right, guys, I'm out. Thank
See
you.
you later.
Bye, guys. I appreciate
See you
it.
soon.
I know you're gonna wake up with sore arm muscles tomorrow. I am back from the salon. These two are out of control, as you can tell. This is how they play. I know, Mika. I know. I don't know what his problem is. Shh. They're trying to tell you guys that they also have awesome hair and they would like Redken to come out with a doggy line. You guys aren't even supposed to be on the bed. If your dog trainer sees this, I'm gonna be in really big trouble. As I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted by these two. They're wild. But I wanted to get back to talking about my hair now that I'm back home because it got a little loud at the salon and both Cass and Michelle had clients, so I had to rush out of there. And also, I told myself that I wasn't gonna wear makeup when I went to the salon because every time you wear makeup to the salon, it gets messed up. And I was like, well, I am recording, so I'll do a little bit of makeup, and of course, you could see like the ring of bronzer from where they washed my hair, so I had to come home, touch up, and touch base with you guys. So this is my hair post color and blowout using the Redken Frizz Dismiss collection. And you can see my color just looks really refreshed and shiny, and I really love when it looks a little darker. I definitely don't like it to look black. I think it's a little harsh for my skin tone and my eye color. I don't know, even though my brows are black, if I go too dark, it can just kind of wash me out. So I love that Cass knows which colors to use to enhance my natural hair color. And I will make sure to include what she used below, but this is her craft, her specialty, you guys, so I don't want to give away everything that she does because this is what she does for a living. Even when I was recording her mixing the colors, I'm like, oh, I feel like I'm so invasive right now, but she was cool with me showcasing what she was doing, and she's incredible, you guys. I will link her and Mischelle down below, as well as their salon. And you can see now my hair is really smooth and sleek in comparison to what it was at the beginning of this video. Again, don't get it twisted. I love my natural hair, mainly because it holds style really, really well. I would say out of the entire collection, if I were to pick out one for you guys that is my absolute favorite, I would say it is the leave-in conditioner, especially for those of you with my hair type, because if you ever finish showering and washing your hair and it still feels a little dry and not hydrated, you can instantly feel the difference in your hair when you apply this product. It feels smoother, and you can just tell it's gonna blow out really nicely. It feels so, so nice, and it smells so good. Another favorite of mine would definitely be the mask, because this is mine. It's empty. Cass actually gave me another one of hers because, like I said, she is a Redken ambassador. So she's like, I have a ton. Girl, I got you. I will send you home with one. And smells so good. I feel like everyone needs a mask that you do 1 or 2 times a week, or in my case, every time I wash my hair, because it is so parched. I like to do a mask instead of a conditioner every time I wash my hair. I didn't get it cut this time. I am gonna go back and have Mischelle give it a trim this Friday. She didn't have enough time to cut it this time around. Every time I've gone into the salon for the past 3 or 4 years, I feel like I have sort of established a generic haircut that I get every single time. So I sort of just let the hairstylist touch up my hairstyle. They kind of know based off of my hair texture what not to do to it when cutting it. So they always keep really long layers. They take a lot of weight out of my hair. If you have thick hair, this is something that you might want to look into. It looks really terrifying when they do it. I might have a clip of when D'Angelo cut my hair back in October of him taking some weight out of my hair, because it looks like they're cutting a lot of hair off, but they're essentially lightening it up so that way it doesn't feel weighed down and your hair looks a little more airy and flowy. And it also gives it a lot of volume up top, because the longer my hair gets, the heavier it gets. I mean, there have been some occasions where I get my hair wet and I can't pull it out of the bathtub or the pool. That's how much hair I have. The bangs are growing out. They're about to here right now. I've decided to just let them grow out because summer is approaching and bangs and hot weather do not mix well. You can make it work, but it's a lot of work. More effort than I'm willing to put in. So I think that is everything that I feel like you guys always ask about my hair. It's usually like what I ask at the salon when I get it cut. Is it my natural hair color and the texture? But let me know if you guys would want to see another video talking about hair care. I have a few other hair tutorials coming up soon. I have quite a bit of hair content this month, which I hope you guys are excited for. Some stuff that you guys have been asking for a lot lately. So stay tuned for that. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share it, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will, and these guys who are finally sleeping, will see you in the next video. Bye.